A new sneaker company started in India last year and has already done over 700 crores of revenue by following the exact opposite strategy of what everyone else does. Well, what does everyone else do? They start by designing a new kind of product, outsource manufacturing to an existing factory, and then start running performance marketing as well as content online to cater to a tier 1 niche segment. However, this company, the first thing, they went ahead and raised capital from investors, then started looking for factories, went around to acquire one of the largest shoe manufacturing factories in the country called Mochiko shoes. Then, instead of building their own brand, they reached out to the Italian sportswear brand Lotto, saying, we want the exclusive license for India to be able to design, manufacture and distribute their shoes. Now, what is the name of this company? It's called Agilitas, and it has been started by the ex-MD of Puma India to be able to beat all these global players. So you see, the strategy to build a consumer brand in India today is changing. You have to now build it on three things. Either you have access to offline distribution better than your competition, or access to capital, or you are a manufacturer yourself. And if you want to learn how to build a consumer brand of the future, I'm doing a 2-day program. Sign up using the link in my bio and share it with someone who may need it.